just a Canadian Tire waiting for Tao. But like, it's just a really chill little corner. There's flowers. I'm on this beautiful patio set. Good on them. This is a nice little relaxing corner. Today I was accidentally looking at patio furniture at Canadian Tire, but it made me think of our courtyard. So this is our church. This is our addition. And along here is an L shape. And this side of it has greenery. So there's trees and kind of shrubbery. So it makes a nice U shape. We thought we'd put some patio furniture out, barbecue, little lounge chair. This is kind of where we do any outside entertaining. It's sort of a nice break from the wind. It looks at the river. It's just a nice spot. But I really have not put much thought into it because it kind of seems so down the road of priority. But please send suggestions because I have a million pins, but I just not really sure what to do with this space. It's a blank canvas.